Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm working on my 2012 Honda CRV. I'm showing you guys how to replace out the regular headlight with the LED. Now this one is the LED I bought. This one's the LED I bought, and this is the brand right here. And this one is H4 original. It fits with the original. Now this one I took out. This is the original. It says H4 on it right there, and it has the same back probe and everything, same connector and everything on the terminals. It says H4 right there. Looks beefy, and there's a fan between here. But I'm gonna show you guys how to take it off. So I'm gonna show you guys on the harder side. So the easier side is on the passenger side. To remove this fuse box right here, you're gonna, so it sits on the two bracket right here, and right here. So you're gonna press on this tab. You can press on this tab, press it into the fuse box to get it to unlock. And same thing to this one. Press it into the fuse box. Same on this side. Press on all three and then lift them up, pop it off of the bracket. That way you have room for your hand to put in for the headlight bulb. Now for the connector, I just pull it straight off. There's no tab or nothing. You just pull it straight off. Now it sits like this. So this rubber piece, it sticks onto the headlight pretty good. So I just pull it out together. But in here there's a hook. You guys can see I don't have much room to show you guys, but I'll show you on the other side. But there's a hook right here. It hooks onto the inside of the housing, and then you're gonna unlock it. You're gonna press on the tab, move it up out of the way like this. You see how it hooks in like this, and then you're gonna press on it and push it up and out. And then you can remove the headlight. You move the whole headlight out together with the rubber piece, but I'm gonna take the rubber piece off. I might have to modify the rubber piece here a little bit to make it fit to the LED. But I'm gonna show you the whole thing on the passenger side. I'm gonna try to put the LED and the rubber piece in together, but you can try it the other way, where you put the LED in first. There's a 3-notch around here, so you line it up, you put it the LED first, and then you lock the spring. This one it fits pretty tight, so I'm gonna put it together so that way I don't have to struggle putting the rubber piece in after. See how the hook sits? You're gonna press on it and lock. You're gonna press on it and press down, press in and then press down to lock into the housing. Where is it? There you go. I locked it in. You see it? You gotta lock it into that little hook right there, and then you can just put this back, put the rubber piece back, and then reconnect the connector. Yeah, the LED, it's a lot brighter. The halogen, a lot better. I need to wipe down the headlight. It's a little bit dirty. So after you're done, just put the fuse box back into the bracket and press it down so it locks. So it looks way better. I love it. Very nice, very nice. The passenger side, so you're gonna just pull out the connector just like that. Then you're gonna pull out the rubber piece, and then the hook. You're gonna press on the hook. Let me find the hook. So the hook is on this side. So you're gonna press towards you. Press towards you, lift it up, and take it out. See how the spring is? There you go. I'm gonna take out the headlight. There you go. This is on the passenger side, so it's a lot easier. There you go, just like that. Now I'm just showing you as an example, okay? So this is still my halogen light, my regular bulb. So you're gonna put it in put the spring out. You're gonna put it in first into the groove, and then you're gonna slide the hook in. You're gonna press in and hook it down. Push it in and hook it down. There you go. And then you can, what you can do is, if the other way is too hard, where you put the rubber piece and the headlight together, the LED light in together, and if it's hard for you guys can try it this way. Put the LED in first, lock it, and then grease. Put a little bit of grease around the lip right here, and then shove it in. That way it slides in easier. Now I got the passenger side in already. You guys can see, very nice. Very bright too. A lot better than the halogen. Very nice, very nice. I like it. Now I'm just gonna show you the result of before with the halogen and after with the LED at nighttime. This is the yellow with the halogen. So that's the yellow bulb. That's how bright it is, and that's how wide the light hits. This is with the LED. I don't know if you guys can actually tell the difference, but I can actually tell the difference a lot. It's a lot further and it's way wider with the LED. I can see it very far too, so it's pretty good. So that is it to this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. You guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.